Hello everyone, welcome to Red Shishan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium Schools. Today we are going to study subject Science and Technology Part 1, lesson name lesson number 2, periodic classification of elements, standard 10th, video number 7. Before studying this topic, groups and electronic configuration, we are going to study about the revision. In the modern periodic table, elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic numbers. Vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 groups. The chemical properties of the elements in the same group show similarity and gradation. Horizontal rows are called periods. There are in all 7 periods. The properties of elements change slowly from one end to the other in a period. Before studying the groups and electronic configuration, we are going to study about the can you tell questions. Go through the modern periodic table and write the names one below the other of the elements of group 1. 4 elements of group 1: hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium. Write the electronic configuration of the first 4 elements in this group. Hydrogen 1, lithium 2,1, sodium 281 and potassium 2881. Which similarity do you find in their configuration? The similarity is observed in valence electron of these elements. The valence electrons in these elements is 1. How many valence electrons are there in each of these elements? There is one valence electron in all these elements. Now we are going to study about the groups and electronic configuration. The number of valence electrons in all these elements from the group 1, that is the family of alkali metals, is the same. For example, in group 1, hydrogen 1, lithium 2,1, sodium 281 and potassium 2881, etc. These are the diagrams. There is lithium, sodium and potassium, and the electronic configuration in shell are also given here. There are one electron in the outermost shell of these elements, and there are increasing number of shells are also observed in these diagrams. There are group 1: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. These are the elements in the group 1. There are distributions of the shells are given. In hydrogen, this is the group 1 elements, and the hydrogen, the group hydrogen's electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1, lithium 2,1, sodium 281, then the potassium 2881, and the valence electrons are same in all group 1 elements, but the distribution of shells are different. The number of their valence electrons to be the same. For example, the element beryllium, magnesium and calcium belong to the group 2, that is the family of alkaline earth metals. There are 2 electrons in their outermost shell. For example, beryllium 22, magnesium 282, then the calcium 2882, etc. Similarly, there are 7 electrons in the outermost shell of the elements such as fluorine and chlorine from the group 17, that is the family of halogens. For example, the atomic number of fluorine is 9 and the distribution is to 7. Chlorine, the electronic configuration is 287, etc. Now we are study this chart. There is some halogen family members. The name of halogen family members are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. The atomic numbers are also given here. The electronic configuration of the fluorine is 27, chlorine 287, then the bromine is 28187, iodine 28187, then the astatine 28132, 18 and 7. We are observed that there is outermost shell of these all elements are same, but the number of shells are in increasing order. While going from the top to bottom within any group, one electronic shell get added at a time. From this, we can say that the electronic configuration of the outermost shell is characteristic of a particular group. However, as we go down a group, the number of shells goes on increasing. Now we are going to study the periods and electronic configuration. Can you tell? On going through the modern periodic table, it is seen that the elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon belongs to the period 2. Write down the electronic configuration of all of them. On going through the modern periodic table, it is seen that the elements lithium 21, beryllium 22, boron 23, carbon 24, nitrogen 25, oxygen 26, fluorine 27 and neon is 28. Is the number of valence electrons same for all these elements? No, the number of valence electrons are different for all these elements. Is the number of shells the same in these? Yes, the number of shells are the same. Now we are discuss about the periods and electronic configuration. The number of valence electrons is different in these elements. However, the number of shells is the same. While going from left to right within the period, the atomic number increases by 1 at a time and the number of valence electrons also increases by 1 at a time. The elements with the same number of shells occupied by electrons belong to the same period. The elements in the second period, namely lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, then the fluorine and neon have electrons in the two shells K and L. In the modern periodic table, electrons are filled in the same shell while going along a period from left to right, and at the beginning of the next period, a new electronic shell starts filling up. Here the chart is given. There are 4 periods: period 1, period 2, period 3 and period 4. In that period 1 there is only one shell, but in period 2 there are two shells. Then in period 3 there are 3 shells. Period 4 there are 4 shells. So while going from the left to right within the period, the atomic number is increases by 1 at a time, then the number of valence electrons is also increased and the number of shells are the same. Thank you. Thank you.